area throw salute. Una welcome for football and Pidgin. After match, talk am how you see am. Aston Villa 0 and Chelsea 2. And we get Oga Mike wey be like say, na him be the chairman of Chelsea, na him be the jagaban of Chelsea. Ogbonge Chelsea fan. Make on tell us about how you see this game. Oga Mike, 3 points to Chelsea today, 2 goals and clean sheet for Kepa. Now how you see this performance from Chelsea?
Well, the game makes sense. It shocked everywhere. Initially this transaction team will look at say Chelsea go stagger for a long time. But surprisingly now, under this new coach now, they don't they go 4 matches unbeaten. And the side way makes sense well now. Now this is a clean sheet where they keep. Home and away they keep clean sheet. It's a fantastic one. If they continue like this now, that means things go turn around very faster than is expected. So now, Saskia.
All right, now you talk about say with the way that they go everywhere they good, and you believe say with this kind of doings now things feel even turn around very fast, more than waiting you be they expect before. But in general, with this kind of football where Chelsea don't they play, how you go rate this manager? Graham Potter with what you don't see so far. We know say it's still there early, but what you don't see, what you get to talk about the manager and this style of play on.
I give credit to the man. It's not easy to assemble the team made of different stars and based on where they come from. He never lose under this new regime. So, and if you check his record, like the other way I talk, if you check the guy record from where they come from, they try, especially for big team. Brighton, na former club. When they play big team, the guy they try. If they perform well, not be say if they take the game to the big team, if they shock them, in short, if they won't win the big team. So when you come Chelsea, I'm no surprise. Say the guy go do well, but the only part where I surprised, now how they do am very fast.
Okay.
How they do am very fast. The how will I put it now? Chelsea now call the rise occasion. They're very faster than we expect. And I'm very, very happy because most teams not there from now. So this is an opportunity for Chelsea to take go far. Teams like Man U, they stagger. Teams like Liverpool, they stagger. And so on and so forth. So now good plus to Chelsea. May they continue.
All right. So make I ask you now, with this performance now, which Chelsea player be your man of the match?
This very match ready of is a massive match. Not just based on the goal we score and how he take comport himself. That's one thing for Massima. When he want to do well, they do well. So Massima. And I still give kudos to the defense lineup, both keeper and the defense. Kepa they surprised because if he continue this way, I'm say table go turn against that Mendy. Because Kepa, they know Kepa for BTS goalkeeper. Kepa now they keep almost going to 5 matches now. Clean sheet, home and away, both Champions and Premier League. Now plus to them. So man of the match is Massimat to me and the defense lineup.
All right, now, Oga Mike, now, I see you as Chelsea fan, we get passion for this club. You like the club. You like the club doings. And you sabi the club in and out. So, but tell us one reason why you like the club like this.
It's my my boyhood club. Now club is I start to support for when I like football. That na one. Then two, Chelsea na club we say they dead serious. They determined. They're not there for experiment. If you watch them from even the time of Roman Abramovich to this man we buy, they want Mutu, they want Remata, they want results. So that kind of club now they like associate myself. Not be club we could keep make fans they very, very embarrassing. For full season they could do experiment. Just know the like that na one. Then two na my boyhood club. Thirdly, just they try for black players. The likes of Mike, the likes of Golo Kante and the rest. In every time that they do well, you see one black name there. So those 3 reasons, that made me the koto for Chelsea.
All right, now, before I let you go now, Oga Mike, tell us one club where be like say you know if you support, if not only that club now remain, you know support the club.
My brother, no lie you. No only for game that I carry my. And today when they cut my game, they not go see my game again till the season. Mayu, I hate Mayu like the way I see Satan. If Chelsea or Man City don't win the league, Arsenal not like them, but they can go. But Man, no, they should remain where they are. I like the way I like the way it is they work against them. The body they speak well. So may they see suffer small, other people suffer. I wish them extra 10 years no trophy. Because if now we did this condition, Now so they go dey laugh us. So they be turn in my flame, make they dey where they dey. Make they suffer well. Now wetin they dey wish Chelsea. So it don't come back to them. So they are the one club I don't want make they rise at all. Now my youth. Yeah, that's all.
All right, now, Oga Mike. Thank you for your time.